Sometimes there's a trade that you only take that trade and you don't really need to trade anything else. And that was a Tesla today. Because when such setups come, you need to hold and let it work out for you. First of all, there were traders who told me, hey, Rip, I missed Tesla. The reason you missed Tesla because you were not aware of what's happening in the market. As a professional traders, we need to be aware of all the news that's happening in the market, be it on the weekend, after hours, whatever. You need to know. So Tesla had a Robotaxi event on the weekend. You know Robotaxi is big for the market. So I made this plan in the pre-market. I put it as a red play, top play. The plan was to be bullish biased. And also, I mentioned we're going to watch the flow. Why did I mention the flow? Because Tesla is a great setup. When it gets a flow, it gets going. So combine the news, combine the technicals, combine the flow to get an A+ setup. So that was the plan. So you see that there was this downtrend line break, a little tiny flag. That's fine. Not only that, there was this range break. So what is a range break? Range break is when a stock is moving up and down, down, up between a range. So this is called a range break. A strong catalyst. What else? There was a 20 EMA, Ripster MTF clouds, 2 MTF clouds, 1 hour and 34.50. This tells me it's bullish. That's why my bias was bullish, because the trend is bullish. I know if we get out of this box, then we're going to push. I told the traders amateur long means the first candle is wrong. Watch out the pullbacks that we get. So initially it swiped to 338. You could sell some there if you're just trading the amateur move. Then I told traders tip buys on the pullback. I gave them 2 levels, 330, 332. So you see this candle right here, it pulled in that 330, 332 range. So that's where you buy. Because your risk is 328. You know wherever you're buying, if it doesn't work, you would cut it. But dip buys 330, 332 work. And that's when it started to push. Even though other stocks in Mag 7 were not doing good, Tesla held. I told the traders holding well, target high of the day. From that pullback, did push to that high of the day target. So you know it's a long. Now it's all about positioning yourself. So target was high of day, and then I gave the high of day breakout. I saw a lot of flow coming in on 340 calls. So once it started to push, you just put your stops break even. You can sell some, but stops break even. Then next target I gave was 342.50 and 340. We hit 340, we hit 342.50. That's where I told the traders to sell 60%. Next target 345. We hit 345 as well. And then I said you can roll with the profits. You can buy 350 calls, 355 calls, whatever calls you want to buy. And there was a big seller at 350, then that cleared, and next seller was 355. And then I told the traders you can throw some profits into lottos if you want. Finally, our final target was 358. Then I started to pull back. There was some news on the market as well. That's when it broke the 512. So we exited it here. Our main trade was done here. You could short here and take it down here, but that was not an A+ trade. This was the A+ trade. News, check. Daily chart, range break, check. MTF cloud, check. Flow, check. And if you're really very uncomfortable with having a position, you start small option. So 340 calls for $5. You don't really have to put your whole portfolio in that. Let's say you start with a $6. You have 20 grand account or 30 grand account. So you take 2,400. You take one lock, $300 profit there. The rest of them you hold it. You just made another $1,300 on that, and you can sell some more. Now when to cut it? So once that Tesla chart breaks the 512, you cut it. So you cut it right here at 1230s. And if it's too much risk for you, you just trade TSLL. You buy the TSLL from MTF Cloud. You buy 1,000, it starts to work. You add 1,000 more. Your average is now 1310. Your stop is 1290. You average up as it starts to work. Then as it goes higher, you take some off, and when it breaks 512, you get out. Amazing trade today. Trader literally killed in the community.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.